Welcome to another insightful video where we take you behind the scenes of the world's financial systems. Today, we are diving deep into the Australian economy, particularly focusing on the role of the Reserve Bank of Australia. But before we do, we'd like to give a special shout-out to Hirsch Oberoi, whose research and organization make this content possible. Hirsch's dedication to understanding the complex mechanisms of global finance fuels our ability to bring you these educational videos. So tighten your seatbelt as we navigate the turbulent seas of the Australian economy. Have you ever wondered how the Australian economy is navigating the turbulent seas of global finance? Well, there's a lot happening under the hood, and it's crucial to understand the role of the Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA, in steering the ship. The RBA recently made a significant decision, one that has the potential to shape the course of Australia's economic future. Despite concerns of a looming recession, the RBA has maintained the cash rate at 4.35%. Why, you might ask? They're battling against the winds of inflation, keeping an eye on the horizon for any potential risks. The path to lowering inflation to target levels is fraught with uncertainty, and the RBA acknowledges this. However, the decision to keep interest rates steady has divided economists. Some forecast rate cuts as early as November 2024, but the RBA remains steadfast for now. But what does this mean for the average Aussie? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, the decision could help keep inflation in check. On the other, it might not bode well for mortgage holders. Despite potential RBA rate cuts, major banks may not pass on the full benefits. That's right, even if the RBA decides to cut rates, it doesn't necessarily mean your mortgage payments will reduce. Now, let's not forget about the former RBA Governor Lowe's warning that the fight against inflation is ongoing. It's a delicate balancing act, and many banks have already begun making out-of-cycle rate cuts. So, to summarize, there's a lot going on in the Australian economy right now. The RBA is holding the line on interest rates despite concerns about a potential recession. Economists are divided, some predicting rate cuts later this year. And while the RBA battles inflation, mortgage holders might not see the full benefits of any potential rate cuts. Remember, the world of finance is complex and ever-changing. Staying informed is key to navigating these turbulent waters. So next time you hear about the RBA making a decision, you'll have a better understanding of what's at stake.